Good morning, guys. Welcome back or to the channel. In today's video, we actually have some light truck parts. So I started this video a little over a week ago, and I completely forgot to film an intro. So with that being said, let's go back to the future or forward to the past, whatever, and let's check out our new parts for the white truck. All right, guys. So I just got back to the house. We rented some stuff with 300. Picked up my grandpa's girlfriend's car. He's driving it, and I just realized as I parked here, he's got the house keys. Oh, there he is. But we have a package here, and I believe this is for the white truck, matter of fact. So let's crack this thing open. I need to take a bunch of stuff in the house, including this stuff, but get in here in the house. We'll crack this open and take a look at what we got. All right, so we had two boxes inside of a box, and I'm gonna show you this here. So if y'all know, if you know, you know, but these are packaged super nice. But I'm gonna cut these open real quick, and we're gonna take a look at what we got. All right, so one thing I do like with these, they put the tape on the back. So if you do slip with your blade of choice, then it shouldn't mess anything up. But in here, we have new taillights for the white truck. And these are, I've seen some pictures online, I haven't seen them in person. These things looked super, super killer. And there we have it. Clear taillights for the white truck from AFT Parts. Now again, these are super clean, and I think these are gonna look killer in the truck. I have LED tails in the truck currently, and I believe these come with bulbs. I'll have to look and see, but like I said, I have LED tails in the truck right now, but they're just chrome tails. They're nothing special, but like I said, I'm gonna look, see. I think these are supposed to come with bulbs, but I'll look and we'll look and see. All right, guys, so it's been about a week and a half. I think I filmed last on Monday. Yeah, today's Wednesday, I think. Anyway, we just got some LED bulbs in from AFT. So we're gonna go ahead, get the white truck down to the shop, and we're gonna get these guys installed. So I got this stuff I need to do a video on. I just got some other stuff in for the white truck, which is gonna be kind of cool. So stay tuned for that. But that'll be a little more intensive than this. So we'll do that at some point though. I got stuff for the powder coat. I got a bunch of videos coming up for y'all. But anyway, we're gonna get these down to the shop along with our tail lights and get these things installed, see what they look like. All right, so I pulled it over here in front of the powder coat shop. Of course it wouldn't start, batteries dead. The carpet's wet here, carpet's wet back here. As you can see, there's moisture in the sub box. So I'm gonna leave the doors open on this thing, but if you close the door and open it, it thinks the key's on. The key is in my pocket, so I don't know what's the deal. We need to get back on this thing at some point. There's a whole bunch of stuff that I don't like about it everywhere, so we'll get back on this thing at some point though, when we can get it in the shop and like tear it down and just leave it there. We're gonna do that. We've had Nissan in the shop for a little over a week now, but anyway, we're gonna go ahead and get these taillights swapped out for our new AFT Parts taillights and the LED bulbs. So these taillights I've had forever. I got these things in 2016, I believe. They still work perfectly. So I'm going to hang on to these in case I get something else I want to put them in or whatever. I might just keep them, throw them in the office and whatnot. Be cool to wire these into like a 12-volt plug-in and just have them as like a display piece. But anyway, I'm rambling. I remember to have this tool kit that I keep in the truck. So we're going to go ahead and swap these out here in the driveway, just like I did when I did these way back when, and it used to park right there. So anyway, like I said, I'm going to go ahead and get this one swapped, and we'll take a look at the difference. Okay, so check this out. I just popped this taillight out, and these are super hard to take in and out. The clips are very tight, but pulled the taillight off, and holy, so I gotta get this out of here, and I also have to take this box out, because this is for the taillights, and if I remember correctly, those don't unplug. So I'm gonna get all this out of here and take everything out that I need to for these, and go ahead and get our new clears in. All right, so got the old taillight removed as well as this little box. That box did unplug, which made it much easier, but I figured these taillights probably aren't going back in, if we're being honest. The next set of taillights I do for this are probably going to be like what's in the 6.0, the color matched C-bar, like OLED taillights. So those probably, like I said, those probably won't go back in. So I went ahead, removed that, got our new AFT bulb in, and we're going to, I need to connect the battery back. We're going to put the battery charger on this thing as well. But I'm going to connect the battery back, and we'll go ahead and test these out. It's always a good idea to test LEDs before you put everything together. That way you don't got to worry about it. And we'll see what these look like. Alright, so to be completely transparent with y'all, I am going to have to get some new bulbs. These don't work. They don't match. The prongs don't match. So what I did to make this one work, I'll show you all the taillight in a minute. What I did to make it work is I took these prongs and bent them around. I know that's not great. And if you turn, well, why don't I show you taillights first. So these things look killer in the truck. But what I was talking about is if you turn the lights on, park lights, it's on like a brake light type of setting, so they don't, if they're on like this, you hit the brakes, the brake lights don't work at all. Lights on or lights off, the brake lights themselves do not work. So that's just the bulbs. We can get some new bulbs ordered, but it's not a big deal. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and start switching out the passenger side. But I mean, these things look, oof, they look real good in this thing. So like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and get this other side in. Now these are 8 mil, pretty standard. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead, this cramp out of the way, and go ahead and start switching this side out. All right, so we got these both installed. Now, one thing I do want to mention about these that I did notice. Let me see if I can get this. There we go. These little tangs, whatever you call them, on the back, the AFT taillights do not have. So you can swap them over. I didn't. I don't think they really serve any purpose. They still have the alignment studs, so I mean, this thing's not going anywhere. So I just thought I'd mention that. And again, the bulbs. If you buy these, just buy some bulbs, because like I said, these don't really work right. I bent the tabs over on these as well, just so they work, and I can get some nice pictures and stuff of them. So anyway, I'm gonna get all this stuff cleaned up here, and we'll close the tailgate and take a look. All right, so I'm gonna close up all the doors here in a minute, but I just shut the tailgate, and whew, they do look good, especially with the polished wheels and the white truck. So let's close up these doors, and or that one anyway. Go back here and we will take a look. So like I said, gotta order bulbs, but whew, them look good. I do like that. And on these, the fit, it's real nice. Little gap there, nothing terrible, but nice gap here with the tailgate. This tailgate's pushed over a little bit, but nice, real nice fit. I do really like these, like I said, especially with the polished wheels, the white truck. I think they look really good. So anyway, like I said, I'm gonna let the battery on this thing charge a bit and whatnot, and I got the doors open, let it kind of air out in here. So we're gonna go do some stuff real quick in the powder coat shop over there. That'll be another video. I'll let this thing sit here and charge. But anyway, I guess I'll catch y'all here in a bit, and we'll move this thing around and get some pictures and stuff with it. All right, so that's I guess that's a wrap for this one. So we actually had a family friend come and visit with him for a solid 2 hours or so. But these look amazing on this truck. Love the way it looks. We still got it on the battery charger, just sitting here and kind of letting the carpet and stuff dry out a little bit. I don't know why this thing leaks like it does, but we're gonna figure it out at some point. I really want to get this thing in the shop or somewhere where I can tear it down, I can fix everything, and have it good again. But anyway, guys, like I said, I figure that is going to be a wrap for this one. We're also working on some stuff in here for the powder coat setup and a few other things. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have another video that I'm about to work on, some more stuff from our friends over at Shine Armor. So we're going to check that stuff out and see how it does. But anyway, guys, and there goes our tornado alarm test. But anyway, guys, that's going to be a wrap for this one. So if y'all enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, please drop a like and comment down below. Smash that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys, and I hope everybody has a great day.